Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about CTE. But first, what is CTE? Chronic traumatic encephalopathy is a progressive degenerative disease of the brain found in people with a history of repetitive brain trauma, including symptomatic concussions as well as asymptomatic subconcussive hits to the head that do not cause symptoms. It's a popular topic among both wrestling and professional football fans, and it was popularized after the tragic Chris Benoit incident of 2007. So, did Chris Benoit have CTE? The answer is yes. Tests conducted on Benoit's brain tissue revealed severe CTE and damage to all four lobes of the brain and brain stem.
And notably, the septum is just a series of filaments. You can just see some thread-like appendages hanging from the surface of the corpus callosum.
Many medical professionals have stated that Benoit's level of brain damage likely contributed to his aggressive and bizarre behavior, but a statement released by WWE dismissed this idea as speculative. And for reference, the brain on the right is an example of severe CTE. You can see the physical signs compared to a normal, healthy brain. So how many NFL players suffer from this type of brain damage? A new study suggests that CTE may be more common among football players than previously thought. A study published Tuesday in the Journal of the American Medical Association found CTE in 99% of brains obtained from the National Football League players, as well as 91% of college football players and 21% of high school football players.
The other features of this brain are this Tannish ribbon on the outside of the brain with very prominent small blood vessels. That's not a normal finding.
So what do you think? Do chair shots like this potentially cause brain damage? What about the constant bumps and falls of being a professional wrestler? Is the sport causing permanent damage to many superstars? Leave your comments below.
Hey there everyone, I wanted to submit a testimonial for Restmore because it's truly changed my life. After trying Restmore, I sleep better than I ever have before. Restmore actually allows me to fall asleep at the same time every night, and I get a full night's sleep, and I'm not sleepy the next day. I also personally love the fact that it is all natural, healthy, and it doesn't require a prescription.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.